There goes the shark underneath our house. Oh my god, how scary is that? I'm not going swimming again today, that's for sure.
Them sharks don't bite.
They don't? Oh, he's going straight for the fish head. Look at him. He's going for the fish head. He's going for the fish head. There he goes. Oh yeah. He got it. I knew it. Damn, look at him tearing it up. He's tearing it
You
up.
like that?
Yeah.
Cool.
He disappeared into the abyss. No, look at him. He's like, do you see him? Going nuts over there with that fish head? Oh yeah.
I bet you a sharp knife makes all the difference. These knives ain't shit.
There's a shark in the water, dude. Don't go in, I'm telling you. Don't go into the water. Cause the shark is gonna get you. The shark is gonna get you.
He's still eating that